Welcome back guys, Ali DZ with a new review. Today we're going to talk about Gillette's Mach3 Turbo. If you watch TV commercials in the year 2000 to 2010, you already know this guy. So that's the packaging guys it comes in with. It comes with two blades. It's a triple blade setup. And it's got a loop strip on the top. It's got a nice pivot, which is always useful, always welcome. Nice looking handle. It's got chrome and a lot of grip. It's quite cost effective. It's $12 for the razor with a pack of 2 cartridges, and if you want refills, the refills are $16 for a pack of 4. And you can see it's got a rubber guard which basically stretches your skin so you don't have to hold on to your skin. Most good razors do that. And it's got a small face as well, so it's easier just to get into, the corners of your face. You can shave nice and easy with them. Now, Gillette makes some solid claims about this one. They say you'll get 15 comfortable shaves, and even your 10th shave is smoother than the shave you get from your disposable cartridges. I'm actually going to put this to the test. I've gotten 2 shaves out of it already. They're smooth, they're good. We're going to do a 3rd test shave today. Now. Alright, we're ready to do this. They come with a protective cap as well guys, so while you're not using it or you're done using it, you just put it back and then just take it off, start using it. Okay, so the first, I'm going to do 2 passes. I need to do 2 passes with this. It gives you a nice, close, clean shave. I've been shaving every couple of days or so with this, so it's not a lot of growth as you can see. It's just very granular, but we're going for the clean shave look. So very nice, very effective. So another nice thing to notice is, see how it's got a lot of hair in there right now. A quick rinse and it's gone, clean. Speaking about how I would not miss the trimmer, gets in nice and easy to under the nose, so no problem shave at all. So washed my face, running my hand in the direction I ran the razor, nice and clean shave. But I'm gonna run it against and I'm still feeling a little bit of stubble. So this is why I need to go 2nd pass, which is against the grain. Let's get ready for it. Okay, I'm ready. This is against the grain. Start off with my neck. This is why I prefer cartridge blades over any other style of razors, because the good ones with the pivot, you just see you go 1 stroke and it does make your job a lot easier. Like, you don't have to focus a lot on the angle with which you're shaving. Now, the very first shave I got with this one, I thought, I wasn't liking it as much, and that's probably because I was used to 5 blades, bigger faces, bigger cartridges, but now it's just second nature. And the other part with razors is, just like everything else, you get a new razor, give it a couple of days to get used to it. Shave quality is absolutely perfect. Clean, there is nothing, I can't feel anything. No hair, it's all gone. Wow. So I have to admit, guys, Mach 3 is just a classic. It works really, really well. Very cost effective, great with quality. I never thought I'll go back to this one, but I'm actually enjoying using this. Alright, sneak peek for the next review is going to be another Gillette Mach 3 Turbo, but this one's got 3D motion on there. So it takes the exact same cartridge. I won't waste too much time, but that's the next review, guys. What I will do differently is, for the next review, I'm going to try the Mach 3 Turbo 3D, which has got this swivel ball in there. But I'm going to use the cartridge that I am using today, and I'm going to see if that keeps going like Gillette says it should. Guys, feel free to comment and let me know if you want me to try some other razors. If you've got questions about these razors that I've used in the past, or about the razor I'm using currently, I'm more than happy to help you with the answers for it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe. I will be back with another review next week. Till then, you know what to do. Stay sharp. Just do it.